Hi, everybody. I already started grading some of the notes, and you guys are off to a really great start, and you're sending me questions, and that's great. So this last part is how to make an advertisement. So I have one up on the screen for something else that a student made, but the reason I'm showing you this is because it's a slide. So if you want to just make a slide of something, you would just do this in your presentation, and I wouldn't do this one, I would do a blank one. So I would do apply layout and I would do a blank one. And then all you have to do is add text boxes in. So you can do this and then you can put in, the title of your restaurant and gift card if that's what you want to put in there. And then you would put in more text boxes. Let's say you want to do a loyalty card, the one where you punch in and get like free after 5 punches or something like that. You would put in another text box down here. And then you have to put an outline for this so it shows up. So I would just pick one of these, it doesn't matter which one. And now you have a box. Then you go back and you put another one. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it equal, but you guys do it your best because you're creating it yourself. And that's all you do is you add these. And then you put, the name of the gift card up here and the name of the restaurant. I would Google some for ideas and also look at the samples that I sent you of ones that are already done for this project. You could do it in Google Drawings if you want to. The only problem with that one is it doesn't go into a slide. You would have to send that separately. So a lot of students don't do it that way. You can also use Canva, and there is a tutorial in Google Classroom for that digital citizen project that we did. And you could create lots of things in here for any class, really. So when you go to high school, you can do a poster, you can do a flyer, you can see all these different things here. You can create designs for all different things. You can do a video in here. You can do a logo in here, which I've never tried before. I actually made this myself. It's resume do's and don'ts. And we went over that last week. I just didn't show you this one because I didn't have it created yet. So you have tons of things in here that you can use for anything, any class you want, pretty much. So you need to do, I think, 3 of them that I mentioned. So this is just an example. And you can Google examples of other ones if you want to. But loyalty cards and gift cards are the quickest to make and the easiest. So I would recommend that you do those. Just make sure you have, the right information on there. So that a gift card has a design, it has the name, that it's a gift card and the name of the restaurant, and then you need to put a dollar amount on how much the gift card is, and that's really it for that. It's not much at all. So this is the last part of your project. I'm very proud that some of you are really keeping up with the work because I know this time of year is really, really hard. And if I were you, I would feel like, oh, I'm done. But you only have a few more weeks and then you're done. So I am going to submit this to you so you have it. And remember, this is all due May 14th, so I have a chance to grade it. And then the following week, I'm going to be just grading stuff that's coming in. So if you're all caught up, then you're good to go. And then I'm going to put the grades in on probably the last day of school. And then anything after that, if you have to catch up with something, let's say that you have a really low grade. After that, as soon as I submit it to the district, you have to request some sort of a change. But right now it's going to be a pass or an incomplete. So if you get a 1 or higher in this class, you're going to get a pass. It's not going to be a letter grade this time. So anyway, that is how you do an ad. Very simple. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. Talk to you soon.